Cyclists in Fresno can seek compensation if they're hurt by roadway hazards that the Fresno DOT is responsible for. The City of Fresno must uphold a duty of care to keep cyclists safe within reason. This legal requirement means that if the DOT receives reports of a dangerous pothole, it must act within a reasonable amount of time to repair the hazard. If they don't, and a cyclist falls, the cyclist can file a lawsuit to recover any damages caused by the fall. Bicycle accident victims must be aware that city municipalities have stronger legal protections than regular individuals. Filing a lawsuit against a government entity can have additional steps, and you'll have a shorter period in which to file a claim. If you miss that deadline, your case will probably be thrown out. In these cases, it's especially helpful to have a bicycle accident lawyer representing your case. At Maison Law, we advocate for cyclists in the Fresno area. We make sure that the City of Fresno keeps you safe, and we hold them accountable when they don't. Give us a call today for a free consultation.